Welcome to today's episode of Tech Shorts, your daily dose of technology. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of Realme Buds Classic earphones. Realme launched their classic earphones on Amazon and we are doing this unboxing exclusively on Tech Shorts as we promised. If we talk about the front of the box, we got the design of the Realme Buds and then there is some badging written over there. If we go to the side, again there is a Realme badging. If we turn this back, we see there are some specifications written over there. They are talking about the large sound driver, which is 14.2 mm. They are also offering a rich bass. Then we have a music and video control. We also can answer and end the call. We have a HD microphone and then a built-in cable organizer. We got this in a black color, so let's quickly open the box and see what we have got in the box. Let's put this aside. Okay, so if we open this is how it can open, and let me take out the earphones out. If you see this is what we got in the box, apart from the user manual, which we don't care because nobody use those papers anymore. If you see from the top, if we talk about the design perspective, they moreover looks like an Apple AirPod and there is no difference in the design, I can say. They are much bigger in the size, so if you are comfortable with this size of ear cups, you can use it. Otherwise you have to see how comfortable it is while wearing it on the day-to-day use. We also got this lengthy cable, so cable is a good size. Then next we have this button that they are talking about in video. If you see this, they also mention some call button, so there is a button for you can make a call and you can disconnect the call. There again a Realme badging, if you see over there, and there is a little microphone over there. We got the cable is a bit lengthy, so that's a good part of it, and the quality is very good in that. Actually it's not that less pricey. If you can see this, it doesn't feel like it's a 399 thing. You also got this cable organizer, which is pretty cool actually, and you always have this yellow color. Whether you bought a white or you bought a black one, you always get this in yellow color, and which is quite handy if you want to just collect your earphone properly and just put this cable strap on with it and to see how does it work. And as it is a standard 3.5 mm jack, if your phone still support that jack, you can use it. You can use it in your laptop as well. Many laptops have stopped supporting these jacks, but whoever has it, they can use it very easily. We again come with the design. I completely like the fact that these are very comfortable in ear, but still they are not innovative. So Realme, they always come up with the similar design which is already there in the market. So my verdict, if you are looking for some cost effective earphones with a good sound quality, because they are offering 14.2 mm, you can go for this, and this price range they are a steal. And this is how the overall product looks like. We put lot of efforts to create these videos in terms of time and money, so you save your precious time. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. We also have a giveaway going on for Bolt Pro Pods, where you just have to subscribe the channel and you can win the true wireless earphones. If you're looking to buy these earphones, we put link in the description. You can check it out very easily. This for this video guys. If you have any question, you can put the comment. We'll make sure we'll respond to all your queries. As we said previously on Tech Short, it's all about more tech and less time. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. This will get us motivated to keep on creating quick tech updates every day for you. Also click on the bell icon so that you never miss out next Tech Short. We'll see you in the next Tech Short video, same place. Until then, keep watching Tech Shorts.